they're saying that this house right here, this beautiful old house with these stanchions right here, that they won't fix it up. Look at the vines and stuff, and it looks like it's in a little disrepair. But they said that they don't want to sell it, and I don't blame them. But man, they should do something to it. This house is absolutely freaking amazing. I definitely put some money into it. Clean these columns up and paint them and everything, and it breaks my heart to see this. But pretty cool, beautiful house though, absolutely beautiful. And I hope they can do something with it, man. It's just one of a kind. Look at the side thing over there, on the side right there. They got a tent right here, like I said, at a birthday party, but really cool, man. Hate to see it. Hope they can do something with it. All right, everybody, this is the Kate Shepard house, and storms are rolling in, and I'm going to show everybody, and I think at this point I'm the only one here. And you know what they say, ghost hunting during a thunderstorm. I've been wanting to come here for a long time. This place is absolutely stunning and beautiful. This house has been in magazines. This is the Mobile Bay room here. I'm staying up in the barber's room, I think it's called. But she did say that a certain thing is in this house that's causing a little bit of activity. And it's this right here. This guy. Right there. Causing some issues. And I think they said it was broken. So, and all these pictures and these old postcards, it's hard to see. It's kind of dark in here. Came out of the attic, she said. So, this is the dining room. And she said that it was a bed and breakfast where they did breakfast, and I'm okay with that because look at this. Look at that tall door right there. That's what I'm talking about. Looks like a little breakfast nook back here. Little sitting area, little kitchen area right here. They said they had an ice maker, so coffee maker. Very cool, very beautiful, and we'll walk up here. Walk up the stairs now. I'm just going to show you this picture right here. Wow. I don't know if y'all just heard that. Wow, that was loud. And I wasn't moving. Have a look around. Can you make that knocking sound again? That was really cool. Can you make the knocking sound again? And I'm willing to bet that goes down to the basement. But I'm not gonna open it. So we're gonna walk up now. And these are just, I don't know, 2 rooms right here, so I don't know what's in there. But there's the outside. Look at this mirror right here. And I think those are stairs that go down right there. I'll show you my room real quick. And this is the barber room right there. And I think I'm here to stay. It's a little dark. Kind of like it that way. Hey, look, there's a little model house of the Kate Shepard house. Look at that little model right there. How neat is that? And it's so peaceful in here. It's so peaceful. Great for EVPs too. Here's the tub. And here's the bathroom right here. Look how cute that is. These doors. Look how high up they go. Look, there's even like a little stained glass right there. Let natural light into the bathroom. Here's another look outside the... Hello? Did you just make a knocking sound? That was me. And beautiful tub. Unfortunately, I won't be using it. I showered before I left Pensacola. There's me in the thing. And so I'm going to start unpacking some gear. And I'm going to show you what I brought. I'll show everybody this too. I see more and more around this house. You can see that this is the house here, the Kate Shepard house, and you can see the children. This was one of the only places that would take children that had disabilities. They said if someone had like in a wheelchair, they would lift the whole wheelchair up the steps and take them on into class, and I think that is awesome. And this house has a lot of character. Haunted just had something creepy on my live screen, but you know what? I don't think there's anything bad here. Got a knock over here, a loud knock twice over here, and the night's young too. So, but I want to show you this on a happier note. I want to show you that this was a picture of that. So, there you go. Yeah, it's raining, and give you the tour now. Okay, real quick, I wanted to show everybody. I brought some minimal gear. I'm gonna go grab a bite to eat real quick. There's the Phasm cam right here. Some glow and trigger balls there. My Sony EX33 is right here. Usually I bring a lot more stuff, like the vibration detector and all that, but I didn't. And there's the tripod. Trail cam for later. K2. There's a couple IR lights and Wraith pod. And I think what's really cool is if you look up here, there's the Kate Shepard house. There's a model of the Kate Shepard house. There's a drawing here. And then there's also one here, and it's beautiful, beautiful chandelier. Okay, there's no moving air in here. There's no ceiling fans. Even the little chain right there on the lamp is done. I'm gonna go grab a bite to eat. I'm gonna let this run for about 40 minutes. And it's thunderstorming right now. So it's recording. And I left the PIR device in the bathroom. It makes a violin sound, so we'll see what happens. Any knocks in this room? There is absolutely nothing in this room. I don't think anybody's checked in yet. This room is absolutely quiet. So when I walk out the door, shouldn't be any noise in this room. Shouldn't be. You know what I mean? A little tiny model, look at that. And then look at the artwork on the wall. Kate Shepard house. And I think there's one over here. Kate Shepard house. And this is that's my view outside my room. Diane, no, I don't think the stairs are squeaky. There's actually carpet on the stairs. So, a little tiny model, look at that. And then look at the artwork on the wall. Kate Shepard house. And I think there's one over here. Kate Shepard house. And this is that's my view outside my room. Diane, no, I don't think the stairs are squeaky. There's actually carpet on the stairs. Okay, Kate Shepard house. It's about 7 o'clock. Excuse me? What was that? Can you do that again? Can you set off that music box right there? Well, thank you. I do believe I'm in airplane mode. And as the night goes, it just gets a little more crazy. Is this the little girl that's been seen around the house? Okay. Can you light it up all the way to the red? Let me know you're here. Light them up big and bright if this is the little girl here. Can you light them up all the way to the as bright as you can? Thank you so much. Lights are flickering over here too now. Do you not like that Ouija board in the case? Make a knock in here if you don't like it. Wow. Can you set that paranormal music box off? Just walk in front of it. That's all you got to do. So some people ask why, I go into haunted hotels and haunted B&Bs and things like that. And I'm going to tell you why. Because a lot of times when you check in, you're the only one here. And it's true. I mean, since 1 o'clock this afternoon, it's midnight now, it's 12:30. I've had the whole Kate Shepard mansion to myself. And people showed up. 2 people showed up. They're very nice people, and I met them. I mean, really good people. And I met them. And they go, well, Sean, why do you, I do. I have a ton of places to ghost hunt. But it's nice to come have a few drinks and relax, meet people, and after hours do ghost hunting. And that's exactly what I did. So this was pretty awesome. I'm going to bed, and a few people showed up, and it was pretty cool. I know my face looks weird with the green, but I had the whole house to myself before a few people showed up late, and knocks, and I think I got a few EVPs. This place is absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. And I'm glad I got to stay here. I've been wanting to stay here a long time. And is it haunted? Yes, it is. Is it malicious? No, it's not. It could be with that Ouija board, which is right over there. It could be. But I had bizarre things happen. In my live stream, my phone was in my left hand. Something comes through. I'm still trying to debunk that, and I'll work on that. But it was good, and I'm tired. And it was a great day. Did some great things, some great filming, and I did some. The other antique store, Mobile Antiques. I went back there again. I promised them I'd make the video out that I did a few months ago. So, when I'm out, I'm gonna go upstairs. I might film a little bit in my room. So it's just weird. It's just place is beautiful. So, Sean with Suncoast Films. Take care. And I'm getting ready to head out, but I wanted to show everybody the beautiful stained glass, which really makes this place right here, and which makes this house really amazing is look at the stairs at the landing right here. That's absolutely stunning. And there's also one up there above it. And imagine living here and you just get to wake up in the morning and look at the natural light coming in. And this was an amazing stay. It was. And I don't know if I got anything. I ran cameras and everything. Some more stained glass right there. And I'm getting ready to head out. There's all my gear right there. And it turned into a nice, relaxing evening. About 10 o'clock, 10:30, I shut everything down and I just sat down here with a drink and just listened to the house. So, cheers, everybody. He is, man. That was an amazing night. And I'm heading home. And yeah, it's cool waking up too. And you're the only one here too. I could have stayed another night. That would be absolutely amazing. Because I really wanted to see if you can go out that door right there and walk right here up there and sit up there and have a beer or something. But I left a couple cameras on while I'm sleeping. I know for a fact I got EVPs. I'll clean them up. And I was holding my camera, live streaming with my left hand, and something comes in the frame, kind of does something like this right here. I'm going to try to debunk that, but I don't know that I can. It was really weird. Usually if I'm holding I have to hold it way out here, in front of me to get that. Anyway, that's another story. But I'm heading home, and if you ever chance to come by here, the Kate Shepard house, and like I said, it's not a breakfast anymore, which is fine. I sleep in anyway, and I'm heading home. So cheers, everybody. Sean with Suncoast Films. Until the next adventure, I'm out.